Yeah, hi. We are from SOS. The project title name is Women Safety Bangle and Tracking by using GPS, GSM, Call Alert and a Live Location SMS Alert. So in this project, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and it connected to the Arduino Uno R3. GPS GY6M V2 GPS module, it is connected to the external serial communication third pin. GSM SIM 900A, it is connected to the TX pin 1. Alarm connected to the 7th pin. Red LED and green LED indicators, those are connected with the 5th pin and 6th pin. 5th pin red LED, 6th pin green LED. 16x2 LCD display, RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. And there are two parts, one is Bangle part, another one is receiver part. Receiver RF 433 MHz RX module that is connected to the HT12D decoder IC. Receiver module connected to the A0, A1, A2, A3. And the transmitter part consists of 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, HT12E encoder IC, and one SOS switch button. So let us coming into the transmitter module. 0 to 9 volts adapter, and there is on off switch button. Okay, switch button, and it is connected to the 7805 regulator, and it is connected to the RF transmitter module with HT12E encoder IC, and there is a SOS button onto the board onto the switch. Okay, so SOS button. Okay, and receiver module, it is connected to the 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and that goes to the directly to the Arduino board. That goes to the GSM module, GSM SIM 900A. So Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet base. Press down, SIM card comes outside. Okay, so Idea, Airtel 4G SIM card I am using. Okay, Airtel 4G SIM card. Okay, so slowly insert the SIM card. It is inserted type. Okay, then lock the SIM card. Upside lock, downside unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, lock the SIM card. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming, 80 mega 328 microcontroller IC, and 16x2 LCD display connected to the RS enable D4, D5, D6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16x2 LCD display, and RF receiver module with 433 MHz module, and one alarm, red LED, green LED, GPS GY6M V2 GPS module, and one Max 232 board, and this is RS 232 cable. Women safety bangle. I am pressing the reset button. Smart bangle for women safety using RF, GSM, latitude value, longitude value, GPS LED continuously blinking. Okay. Initializing GSM modem initialized is okay. So onboard power supply is okay. Transmitter module okay, receiver module okay. If it is not showing that this board is not connected, so once it is connected, woman is safe. When I am going to press this button, continuous alarm, red LED on, leather green LED. So if emergency, red LED alarm should be on, sending SMS to the predefined mobile number which is stored on the Arduino board. Those mobile numbers, SMS alert mobile numbers. So we loaded two mobile numbers. Yeah, SMS alert came. Press the open widget web page. So it will show you the SVS embedded. Okay, and it will send the SMS alert to the predefined mobile numbers which is already stored in the Arduino board. Those mobile numbers. So student mobile number, my mobile number. After that, I will remove my mobile number. SMS alert. So SMS alert sent. Two mobile number SMS alert sent, and it will send the call alert to the other mobile phone. I loaded like that. Project sim. Once call alert, SMS alert completed, then it will go to the woman is safe. Once again, GSM SIM 900A, power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And max 232 will send the data to this board, and the RS232 cable sending to this one. This module will send the SMS alert to the predefined mobile number. RF receiver module, alarm, green LED, red LED. Green LED means woman is safe. Okay. GPS module, GPS GY6M V2 GPS module. Okay, this is on off switch button for the GPS module, and max 232 board. And this is a transmitter module, consists of button, SOS button, and as well as ST12 encoder. And this is a RF transmitter module and 9 volts battery. Okay, so latitude point, longitude point, and it will send the SMS to the predefined mobile number. SMS alert came. Okay, woman I am in trouble, please help me, please rescue. Latitude point, longitude point, open, visit web page. Exact latitude, longitude came, and it is sending other two mobile numbers. Whenever the emergency, red LED is the emergency, alarm should be on continuously. Once SMS sent, the mobile alarm should be off. Okay, once SMS completed, then it is going for the calling mobile number 1, SIM card 1. Once SMS completed, call alert completed, it should normal, then it will go for the second number, student mobile number. Thank you. Then switch off. Okay, once woman is safe, then also switch off. Thank you.